In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Slack notification sound step by step. If you're tired of hearing the same old ding or looking to customize the way your Slack app alerts you, you're in the right place. Changing your notification settings can add a bit of personal flair to your workspace, and it's quite easy to do. First, we need to open up the preferences in your Slack application. To do this, locate your profile picture or initials, which you'll find in the top right corner if you're on a desktop or laptop, and in the bottom left corner if you're using a mobile layout. This small but important icon will be your gateway to many customizable options. Click on it, and a menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Preferences. This section houses all of the settings that allow you to tailor Slack's functionality to your liking, from notification settings to appearance tweaks. Once in Preferences, shift your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see various categories. Click on the Notifications section. This page is crucial because it's where you can control how and when Slack notifies you about the activity in your workspace. Now, let's find the Sound and Appearance section. You may need to scroll down a bit to find it, but it won't take long. This section is where you can adjust the sound settings, incorporating both the sound type and volume for Slack notifications. Once you've reached the Sound and Appearance section, look for the drop-down menu next to Notification Sound. This is specifically for huddles, which are audio or video calls within Slack. When you click this drop-down, a list of possible sounds will appear, such as knock brush, hummus, and ding. These options offer a preview of each sound, so don't hesitate to click through them to see which one resonates with you. It's as simple as that. When you click on a sound, you'll hear a preview, which helps you make a quick decision about which tone you want to alert you in the future. Once you've found the perfect sound, there's no need to worry about saving your changes. Slack automatically does this for you, saving you an extra step. Additionally, if you'd like, you can customize the sounds for when you have huddles or send direct messages from the same area. Feel free to experiment until you find a configuration that enhances your workflow and fits your style, and that's all there is to it. You've now successfully changed your Slack notification sound. This small change can make a big difference in how engaging and enjoyable your Slack experience can be. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.